Machine Vision and Intelligent Systems Lab at the National University of Sciences and Technology in Islamabad, Pakistan, presents a 3-day training workshop on enabling sustainable solutions for agriculture and water resources from October 12 to 14, 2022. We are thankful for our valuable partners, especially Asia Connect, Tyne Cooperation Centre and European Union, for sponsoring this workshop and funding the project, an AI-enabled quasi-real-time water quality monitoring for early chemical and biocontamination detection. Agriculture in the South Asian region is caught in a low equilibrium trap, with low productivity of staples, supply shortfalls, high prices, low returns to farmers, and area diversification. All these factors can be a threat to food security. Addressing this issue can have a great impact over the lives of the people in this region. Contributing to sustainable water and agriculture resource management systems can be a challenging task. This workshop is among many other initiatives towards a major goal of food security in the South Asian region through stocktaking of research, potential and role of technology, and other interdisciplinary initiatives. The intent of this workshop is threefold. The first is exploration of activities related to research, developing technologies, and other interdisciplinary initiatives. Secondly, it shall identify gaps that can be addressed through research and development, capacity building, and knowledge management. Lastly, it shall provide a platform to the participants to establish multidisciplinary collaborations. Our objectives are to explore the potential of artificial intelligence, AI, and Internet of Things, IoT, in developing sustainability in agriculture and water resources. Moreover, examine agriculture and food global value chain recovery challenges and the importance of enhancing interdisciplinary cooperation within the sector. Furthermore, exchange sustainable agricultural knowledge and technological innovation. Also, share domestic and regional level best practices for enhancing sustainable agricultural development. The expected outcomes are improved understanding of agriculture adaptation challenges and opportunities for building the sector's sustainability and resilience with the use of AI and IoT, constructive dialogue and network building between technology experts and agriculture practitioners. Presentations and other workshop materials to be uploaded on the Matchfis Lab website. The participants are the technology experts from 10 member countries and RENs and associate organizations. Also, the experts from the universities and national research organizations and the practitioners. Interested members of the public may also join. The speakers are from the Technical University of Kaiserslautern, Germany. The scientific officers from National Agriculture Research Council, Pakistan. And the faculty members from the National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad, Pakistan. We are looking forward to see you in the workshop. Once again, we would like to thank our sponsors Asia Connect, Tyne Cooperation Centre, and the European Union for sponsoring this workshop.